Hello everyone, hi. This is Indrasen Singh here. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about my experience of working in Microsoft, Amazon and SAP Labs. So I'll be telling about these companies in broadly four categories: interview, learning, work culture and benefits. So this might give you a brief idea about this company and might help you in taking an informed decision when you plan to join these in future. Alright, to start with, let me give you a brief intro about myself. My name is Indrasen Singh. I had completed my engineering in computer science engineering from NIT Nagaland. So out of college I got placed in SAP Labs. The interview was mostly theoretical based on Java and riddles and coding around since I had no prior experience. Learning curve in this company was really steep. There was lots to learn, like writing production level code and learning about new technologies because it was all new for me. Right. The best thing about this company is the work culture. It was like a life of college. Like I was living in college out of college. The people are really awesome here. There are a lot of activities and events that happen here. For instance, hackathon, there are learning seminars and there are outings, there are parties where singers and big dignitaries used to come. Right. The work-life balance is the best part of the company. There is peace of mind. You have enough time to follow your passion, and it is ranked as the best place to work for many times. And people do stay here for a long while because of this healthy work environment. In terms of benefits, there are great employment benefits for the employee get SAP shares at a discounted rate, car lease, medical and other benefits. Salary is good, not very high, but if you look at the overall package, it is a really good deal. Right? So for me, like, the life was really good here. So that's what the reason was for me to move on to another company, because I thought that in order to grow myself I need to grind harder. All right. So yeah, that's how I came to Amazon. In Amazon, like, I had to give more than one interview attempt to clear it. So you can expect that Amazon has a good expectation from its candidate, and they expect that the candidate should be performing 50% better than the employees at the current role in the Amazon. Right. So interview was mostly focused on problem solving, algorithm and data structures. Yeah. Coming to learning, there's lots to learn. The learning curve is really steep, like AWS and other technologies, and also Amazon has a lot of internal tools and programming languages, so I had to ramp up on it as well. You get to work on a lot of projects, and each project can be a different language altogether. Right. So I was working on Perl, for example, Angular, Java, AWS. Right. And you're surrounded by very smart and talented people. Right. And you get to do very impactful work. Like, for instance, I was part of AMI team. So even a very small change that I made there was reflected by millions of users who were seeing it. So it gives a sense of satisfaction in itself. So since the work is very there is lots to learn, so it might become hectic at some time. So work-life balance, it depends on person to person. For me, it was not that great. In general, is what I have heard about Amazon. The work-life balance is off the shelf, but yeah, if you look at the benefits, the pay is high. It is but you do not get any additional benefits like SAP or Microsoft. But then yeah, the pay is good. So since the work was very hectic, that was the reason for me to move on. Also, I had to relocate to a different location due to some personal reasons, and that's why I decided to switch rather than moving to a good different team. Switching gave me a better hike, so that was added advantage. But then one good thing about Amazon is it's very common to switch in different teams. So people generally work in Amazon for a gain experience, and then they switch to a different country, a different team in a different country. So this is a cool part about working in Amazon. Yeah. So moving on, I joined Microsoft. I joined Microsoft in pandemic time. I'm really thankful to Microsoft for not cancelling the offer, I'll say. The interview of Microsoft has its own standard. It was focused on algorithm, data structures, design question, and the previous experiences. So yeah, the team that I joined is very welcoming. It was it's about to be a year, yes, that I have been working remotely. I haven't landed my foot on the Hyderabad, like the main office. So yeah, it's been like all online. So coming to learning, there is lots to learn. My team is a very small small team, like a startup, where we are a bunch of folks handling the entire project. So I get to work on a lot of components like front end and back end, like Azure services, and Microsoft also provides some free subscriptions like Pluralsight and LinkedIn Learning, which to its employees. So in terms of learning, there is lots to learn. All right. The work culture in Microsoft is really good. It is awesome. The team is understanding and good. Since I have been offline, working online only, so I haven't got opportunity to work be a campus, but people tell they used to go on a lot of outings and parties used to happen every now and then. Right. Coming to work-life balance, Microsoft really focuses on the work-life balance of its employee. For instance, now the pandemic is going on, COVID second wave is going on. Every now and then, there is a new initiative from Microsoft to help its employees. All right. So in terms of, I really appreciate this. I haven't seen I haven't heard from my friends in other companies or such who is where the company is doing so much for its employees. The leadership really cares for its work-life balance, so it's a great place to work for. In terms of benefits, Microsoft is one of the best in the industry. I'll say overall the pay is really high, including stocks, and you can purchase a stock at a discounted rate. And yeah, so yeah, this is a very bird's eye view about the companies that I've worked on. I'll be covering about each company in detail in subsequent videos. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Till then, take care, stay safe, and thanks for watching up to here. Bye bye.